Hey guys, welcome back. It's me Sahil Mahajan. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how can you connect to your EC2 instance. So in the previous video, we discussed how can you create an EC2 instance and what are the various different properties related to EC2. So if you guys didn't watch that video, please make sure that you do watch that before moving on to this video. So let's dive right into the video. So first, you're going to head to the EC2 dashboard that I've opened up right over here. I am going to be creating a new instance for this specified use case. So we're going to go ahead and click on launch instance. I'm just going to give a random name that says, test server. And then I am going to choose all of the default options. That is, my OS is going to be the Amazon Linux. I'm going to choose the 2023 AMI. Everything is going to be default, T2 micro. Um, I am going to create a new key pair. My key pair is going to be connection key pair. Key pair, awesome. I am going to choose a .ppk because I prefer to connect to my instances using putty. But again, in this video, I am going to show you guys how can you connect to the um, EC2 instance through the EC2 console. So I'm going to leave all the settings as default. Do make sure that you enable allow SSH traffic from anywhere, or you can move this down to your specific IP address, but I would recommend to leave it as anywhere. And let's leave everything as default and go ahead and click on launch instance. So here you go, our instance is being launched. There you go, launch was successful. Let's head back to the instance tab and you can, okay, that was an old instance. And you can see that it says pending. So we are going to wait for this instance to be in the running state. I believe it should be in the running state now. So let's go ahead and open this specified instance. So you can see that when you open the specified instance, you will see a button on the top right that says connect. Currently, this is not highlighted because the instance state is currently pending. So let's again refresh this. You can see the moment the instance state became running, this button over here, connect, became highlighted. So let's go ahead and click on connect. And now when you click on connect, you'll come to this instance connection page wherein you have four different connection types. Um, the one wherein we downloaded the key pair, that is basically going to be used over here when you are going to connect to your EC2 instance using an SSH client. That is in my scenario. If I'm going to use putty, I'm going to basically use the settings over here. So we're going to head back to the EC2 instance connect, and this is basically a, a you will be able to connect to your EC2 instance in the web browser itself. So I'm not going to again touch any of the settings over here. We're going to leave everything as default. And in the most scenarios that your default username would always be EC2-user. So everything is going to be default, and let's go ahead and click on connect. This opens up a new EC2 instance connect page, and it is establishing connection with our EC2 instance. And here you go, guys. We are now inside our EC2 instance. I can go ahead and type in ls, and you can see that we don't have anything. So maybe let's go to the previous directory. Here you go. We can see now we are in the home directory. If I go and type in ls, you can see that we have a directory called ec2-user because that's the user directory that we currently logged into. And now additionally, you will also be able to create be able to have root access to this specified user. You can just go ahead and type in sudo su, and there you go. Now I have root access to my virtual machine. So this is how you are able to immediately connect to your EC2 instance using the Instance Connect functionality provided by AWS right in your browser. And now you guys can go ahead and do whatever you want to, maybe download Apache, create a database, or do whatever use case that you have. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, do comment if there are any other topics that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya, take care, bye bye.